Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're embarking on an incredible journey through the life of one of our time's most visionary pioneers, Elon Musk. In this story, we explore how one man dared to dream beyond Earth's confines and set out to build a new world in space. Prepare for a tale of bold ideas, relentless determination, and groundbreaking innovation, where every setback is a stepping stone and the impossible is constantly redefined. Let's begin our voyage into the cosmos and discover what fuels the fire of a true trailblazer. Elon Musk was born in South Africa, a place where even the everyday held the promise of something extraordinary. From a young age, while other children played, Elon would lose himself in books and science fiction stories, gazing at the stars with wonder. Imagine young Elon sitting under a vast starlit sky, his eyes reflecting dreams of interstellar travel and futuristic inventions. Those early moments weren't mere fantasies, they were the seeds of a lifelong passion for discovery and innovation. His family nurtured this curiosity, providing him with the tools to explore ideas that would one day challenge the very limits of possibility. Even when his unconventional thoughts set him apart from his peers, every skeptical glance only deepened his resolve. From those humble beginnings emerged a mind determined to reshape the future, a future where boundaries are meant to be broken. As Elon matured, his passion for technology and innovation naturally led him to computer programming and entrepreneurship. His early ventures were anything but easy, faced with financial hardships, biting criticisms, and setbacks that would discourage many. Yet, Elon embraced every challenge with a simple belief: failure is the fastest way to learn. Late nights spent coding in dimly lit rooms, endless experiments that sometimes ended in disappointment, all served to hone his skills and strengthen his resolve. Visualize a young entrepreneur hunched over his computer, meticulously analyzing each failure and emerging with a renewed plan. Those formative experiences laid the foundation for his future breakthroughs, teaching him that every stumbling block was a crucial lesson on the path to success. His early struggles became the crucible in which his resilience was forged, preparing him for the monumental challenges of the future. In 2002, Elon Musk took a daring leap of faith and founded SpaceX with a mission that many deemed impossible: to develop reusable rockets and revolutionize space travel. At a time when the idea of commercial spaceflight was met with widespread skepticism, Elon's vision shone as a beacon of possibility. He assembled a team of brilliant engineers, and together, they embarked on a journey marked by early failures and learning curves. Every failed launch, every setback, only fueled Musk's determination to innovate and push forward. Then came 2012, a watershed moment when the Dragon spacecraft successfully docked with the International Space Station. Picture the scene: a towering Falcon rocket blazing into the sky, leaving a trail of fire and hope while the world watched in awe. This breakthrough wasn't just a technological milestone, it was proof that with relentless perseverance, even the loftiest dreams can materialize. Elon's rallying cry, "Impossible is just a word," echoed around the globe as SpaceX began to redefine the future of space exploration. Elon Musk's ambitions extend far beyond Earth's orbit. His eyes are set on Mars, a planet that represents not just a destination, but a new beginning for humanity. Mars isn't merely a remote rock in space, it's our next home, Musk often declares. His vision for Mars is as audacious as it is inspiring: to create a sustainable, self-sufficient colony on the red planet. Imagine the intricate planning involved: a fleet of massive rockets, habitats engineered to withstand harsh Martian conditions, and systems designed to provide water, oxygen, and food. Every detail of this vision is grounded in cutting-edge technology and a profound belief in human ingenuity. For nearly a decade, SpaceX has been refining the technologies needed to make this dream a reality. Musk's work is not only transforming the way we think about space travel, it is inspiring a global movement that dares us to envision a future where humanity lives among the stars. His Mars vision stands as a testament to what can be achieved when we push the boundaries of innovation. While Elon's journey to space is legendary, his impact on Earth is equally transformative. Through Tesla, Solar City, and other ventures, he is leading a revolution in sustainable energy and transportation. Tesla's electric vehicles have redefined the automotive industry, ushering in an era where clean energy is not just an option, but a necessity. Imagine sleek, futuristic cars gliding silently down highways powered by renewable energy. Beyond cars, Musk's initiatives in solar power and battery storage are reshaping how we consume energy, reducing our dependence on fossil fuels, and paving the way for a cleaner, more sustainable future. These endeavors demonstrate that true innovation has the power to change the world on multiple fronts. Elon's work at Tesla isn't just about technology, it's about a global shift towards environmental responsibility. His vision for a sustainable future, both on Earth and beyond, continues to inspire millions and sets the stage for the next wave of groundbreaking advancements. Elon Musk's influence reaches far beyond the realms of space exploration and sustainable energy. His visionary projects have ignited imaginations around the world, spurring conversations in boardrooms, classrooms, and living rooms alike. His relentless drive to innovate has not only advanced technology, but also sparked a cultural shift, one that challenges us to dream bigger, work harder, and never settle for the status quo. Imagine a montage of futuristic cities powered by clean energy, innovative transportation systems, and communities united by a common vision for progress. This is the legacy Elon is building, a legacy defined by courage, innovation, and an unyielding belief in a better tomorrow. His story serves as a powerful reminder that every breakthrough begins with a bold idea and the determination to see it through. Behind every monumental achievement lies a tapestry of struggles, doubts, and relentless perseverance. Elon Musk's journey is no exception. Despite the accolades, he has faced profound setbacks and harsh criticisms along the way. He often reminds us, when something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. This philosophy has been the cornerstone of his approach, not just in business, but in life. Picture Elon in quiet moments of introspection, reviewing data and planning his next move after a long day filled with challenges. These personal moments reveal the true essence of his character, a man who transforms every failure into an opportunity to learn and improve. His story is a testament to the fact that resilience and passion can overcome even the toughest obstacles. As we look to the future, Elon Musk continues to push the envelope of what's possible. His ventures extend into fields such as Neuralink and the Boring Company, exploring new frontiers in human-computer interaction and urban transportation. These projects are not merely about technological marvels. They represent a broader vision of a future where humanity harnesses technology to overcome its greatest challenges. Imagine a world where advanced neural interfaces allow us to communicate seamlessly with machines, or where underground transit systems revolutionize urban mobility. These are the innovations that Musk is championing. Every new project is a step toward a future filled with boundless possibilities, a future where the fusion of human creativity and technology propels us into uncharted territories. His vision inspires us to reimagine our world and dare to dream of a better tomorrow. As we reach the end of our journey through Elon Musk's extraordinary life and vision, we are left with one powerful message: never stop dreaming. His quest to build a new world in space and to transform our world here on Earth reminds us that the future is brimming with endless possibilities. Today's story is not just about rockets and electric cars. It's about the spirit of innovation, the courage to defy convention, and the unyielding drive to shape a better future. Elon Musk's journey teaches us that every setback is a lesson, every challenge an opportunity, and every dream a blueprint for tomorrow. If you found this story as inspiring as we did, please like this video, share it with fellow dreamers, and subscribe to our channel for more uplifting stories. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update as we continue to explore the incredible journeys of visionary leaders. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future is yours to create. Keep dreaming big. Keep pushing forward. And until next time, reach for the stars. If you enjoyed this story, please don't forget to like and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more inspiring stories. See you in the next story.